So I just got back from Puerto Rico and I left my hair natural the entire week. I didn't add heat to my hair and it was so refreshing. It was so nice to just leave my hair natural, maybe put my hair up here and there, like do some buns, but it was very, very nice. So I really want to try to curl my hair a little bit more this summer. And I know I always try to curl my hair in the summer, even though my curls are a little bit damaged because of all the heat that I put on my hair, but I just really want to try to curl it a little bit more. So we're gonna try a new curly hair routine today with new products that I got in the mail, and let's see how it turns out. I did get a trim recently, maybe like 3 weeks ago, so I have hope that my curls might bounce back a little tiny bit, but we'll see. Let's get right into it. My hair is a little tiny bit dry, so we are gonna wet it because I think that's the main thing that makes a curly hair routine successful. If you apply your products on pretty wet hair. I feel like I haven't done a curly hair routine or even just like a curly hair video in general on YouTube for the longest time now. So I apologize. It's been so long. We're gonna start the routine with this Ouai curl cream. I really like this. This is one of my favorite curl creams, hands down. It leaves my hair so soft and so moisturized. So I love starting any curly hair routine with something like this. So I'm gonna apply about that much on the bottom section. So I'm just applying this everywhere. It smells really good. And since my curls don't curl that much, I'm gonna be using a Denman brush to define each curl. And after every product, I'm gonna do this step. So I'm just gonna brush my hair and scrunch. Take another section, brush. You see how it's kind of like dividing the curls. I love that. And also, I don't know why this side of my head always curls more than this side. I'm not sure, but definitely always happens. Let's try this side. Wish me luck. I don't know why this side doesn't curl as much. We're gonna scrunch and help it a little bit. As you can see, I am scrunching a lot. This is kind of like the only way that my curls really like curl. Gotta give it extra love. And I'm gonna do the top section. I'm gonna wet the top section a little bit more. And we're gonna add some more of the curl cream, about that much. The last time I got my hair cut, my hairdresser told me that I should definitely get a curly cut and just go natural, like 100%. And she told me that I have a lot of potential to have like really nice curls. Kind of thought about it for a second, but I just know myself. I know myself, and I know I'm gonna put heat on my hair, so it's kind of like tricky to do a curly cut because curly cuts are for you to like leave your hair curly all the time. Like they will cut it in a form that only kind of looks good when it's curly. You know what I mean? Like if you blow it out, it might not look even, it might not look the same. I tried a curly cut before. I actually got a curly cut in the Dominican Republic, and when I would blow out my hair was so uneven. It was like this. I'll try to find a video and put it up here so you guys can see. We'll see, because I also feel like you guys do really like it when I try different hair tools. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but you guys really enjoy the new like hair tool videos and all the hair tool reviews. So I feel like it would be a little tricky for me to just go 100% curly, you know? And honestly, curly hair is not that easy to maintain. It is not that easy. It's easier on day one because you just apply product and you can even just let your hair air dry and it'll look nice if your curls are like, you know, healthy and stuff. But then I feel like maintaining it throughout the week is a little bit more challenging, and I just don't know what to do to my hair. Like during the week, I just don't know what to do. And sometimes it'll get frizzy and won't look that good. I also feel like I always end up just putting my hair up or like doing a bun or something. So it's a little tricky when my hair's blown out. I also put it up. I also just put it away from my face, but it's just a lot easier to like style, I guess. But yeah, comment down below if you leave your hair natural all the time and if you would recommend it. I really like that if you do leave your hair natural all the time, you do have less heat damage and your hair is a lot healthier. But I don't know, styling it is just so tricky to me. Like maintaining it, like making it look nice for long periods of time. I guess making it look nice for the entire week is a little bit tricky for me. Now I'm gonna add this Rizos Curls Stronghold Gel. This is new, so let's try it out. Again, we're gonna divide the hair. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this to my hair. And I'm just adding this everywhere. This also smells really nice. Okay, that looks good, right? That doesn't look bad. Okay, let's do this section now. Gonna add some more. We're gonna like rake this through with your fingers. Comment down below if you have a side that curls more than the other. This side curls more than this side. Let's do this side now. Again, bringing the top section up. I will say my hair does feel very, very soft and very healthy for the most part, especially after that trim. And lately I haven't been putting extra heat to my hair. Like, I'll do a blowout, but most of the time I'll maybe add a little bit of heat with the heat around brush, but that's about it. Like, I try to not use a straightener. I have been really trying to not use curling irons too much. Sometimes I have to, but with this heat, with this humidity, it's a little hard to keep your blowouts nice and smooth, you know, without adding extra heat like a straightener or a heat around brush. But I do prefer a heat around brush over a straightener, 100%. So this is what the curls are looking like so far. They don't look bad. You know, I definitely noticed some heat damage, obviously, on the ends, but not bad. So fingers crossed that they look good when I dry them. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of this Ouai thickening spray. So you're supposed to just add this to the roots. Just spray it everywhere. So let's try that out. Yeah, this also smells really nice, and I love the packaging of this. It's like you're able to spray super well everywhere. Like, it reaches everywhere, as you can see. Okay, I think that's enough. We're gonna try to dry the hair now. Let me do a last minute scrunch. Let's see what it looks like when I dry. I'm gonna be using the T3 Micro Aire IQ blow dryer. I have been really liking this blow dryer. I actually took this diffuser with me to PR, and this was the only hair tool that I used. I mean, I literally only used this like once or twice. Most of the time I would just let my hair air dry, but I really like this because you're able to dry your hair super quickly and diffuse it very well. So I'm gonna turn this on, and let's see. In the third heat setting and first speed setting. So we're just gonna dry the hair like this first, and then we'll go like this. So just drying it for now. This will take me maybe like 10-15 minutes. Just very patiently drying my hair without touching it, and then later I'll just continue to dry the ends. Okay, my hair is about 80% dry now. It looks super nice. I just gotta, like, you know, zhuzh everything up, add some oil. So let's do that. I'm gonna add this Kerastase oil. This is the Glaze drops oil. So just gonna add a little bit of this to my hair, about that much. This also smells so good, and I love that I'm able to add so much more product to my hair when it's curly. Just kind of like breaking the cast. Why does this side look way more luminous than this side? I'm gonna try to even it out. All right. I also got shorter bangs this time, so my hair's like right on my face, which I don't mind. I just wanna know how to style it better. All right, guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think I got so much volume. I mean, you can definitely still see some heat damage, and I was expecting that, you know. For the most part, not bad. I definitely like this curly hair routine. I will be doing it again. I'm gonna be tagging all the products right here through YouTube shopping if you guys wanna check them out. I think since it's a little bit hot outside today, I probably will be doing maybe like a headband just to like really have my hair away from my face. I'll put a video or a picture up here so you guys can see what I end up doing to my hair, because I kind of don't know how to style my bangs or what to do with them, and I know that having them right on my face would just kind of like, I don't know, make me super hot, so I'm gonna want to put it back somehow. But I really like the curl definition. I love the volume. My hair feels super soft. It looks very shiny. It looks healthy for the most part. I mean, the ends, you know, need a little bit of love, but for the most part it doesn't look bad. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And do you think I should curl my hair more? I think if my hair was like a little bit longer, maybe it would also be a little bit easier to like manage. And I guess if I didn't have the curtain bangs, it would maybe be a little bit easier to manage. Like if all my hair was like the same length, I could just kind of like tuck my hair in the back or something. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. It was a little bit different. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.